Welcome to Uncommon DevOps Wisdom by Uncommon Sense Consulting. Can a DevOps team truly thrive without a strong supportive culture? Some may argue that technical skills alone are sufficient to drive success. However, experience and evidence suggest that the culture within a DevOps team plays an incredibly crucial role in determining its effectiveness and longevity. Consider the case of a leading tech firm, which we'll refer to as Company X. A few years ago, Company X was struggling with slow deployment speeds, frequent outages, and a demotivated DevOps team. They decided to address the issue not by simply throwing more technology or resources at the problem, but by focusing on nurturing a more supportive and collaborative culture within their DevOps team. One of the first elements they focused on was collaboration and inclusivity. They knew that DevOps is all about breaking down silos between different teams, so they encouraged open communication, shared responsibilities, and mutual respect among their team members. This resulted in a more cohesive team that could work together to solve issues and improve services. Psychological safety was another important aspect that Company X prioritized. They wanted their team members to feel comfortable admitting mistakes and learning from them, rather than hiding them out of fear of blame. This shift toward a blameless culture allowed them to identify and address issues more quickly, leading to a significant reduction in outages. A culture of continuous learning was also cultivated at Company X. They recognized that the world of DevOps is always evolving, and to keep up, their team members needed to be committed to constant learning and improvement. This was encouraged through regular training sessions, workshops, and opportunities for team members to learn from each other. Company X also empowered its team members to innovate. They were given the freedom to experiment with new tools and techniques, and their ideas were valued and considered. This led to numerous improvements in their DevOps processes and a more engaged and motivated team. Work-life balance was another key element of Company X's DevOps culture. They understood that a burnt-out team could not perform at its best, so they ensured that their team members had reasonable workloads and ample time to rest and recharge. Finally, trust and transparency were at the heart of Company X's culture. They ensured that decisions were made openly, and team members were trusted to do their jobs without unnecessary supervision. This fostered a sense of ownership and accountability among the team members. The result of Company X's cultural transformation was remarkable. They experienced faster deployment speeds, fewer outages, improved team morale, and most importantly, sustainable success. In conclusion, the case of Company X serves as a powerful testament to the importance of a strong culture in DevOps success. It's not just about the technology or the tools, but about the people and the environment in which they work. A culture of collaboration and inclusivity, psychological safety, continuous learning, innovation, work-life balance, and trust and transparency can truly make a difference. So what are your thoughts on this? Do you have any experiences or strategies to share about building a resilient DevOps culture? We would love to hear your insights. Remember, it's the culture that makes a DevOps team more than just a group of individuals working together. It's the culture that turns a DevOps team into a well-oiled machine, capable of achieving sustainable success. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more insights on the fascinating world of DevOps.